Hey guys, welcome back. This is Naresh. So today we will talk about one more new feature in Selenium 4, which is the DevTools. So if you see the browser and we press F12 key, then we get a similar panel like this. Okay, and this is called a DevTool, where we can do multiple things like we can go to console, we can go to elements, we can write some kind of a JavaScript there, other things which we can do. Now, the same thing can be done in Selenium 4 using a code. Even if you want to capture the logs, also you can do that from the DevTools. So in this video, we will see how to open a website with an untrusted or the expired certificate. Okay, so let's assume there is a website which has an expired certificate. So let me take one example. So expired certificate sample website. So this is bad SSL. This is one of the website, and here if you see there is a link for expired. So this is a URL of the expired website. I mean to say the expired certificate website. And if we have to deal with certain kind of these website in our project, then how can we do that? Okay, so we need to bypass this so that it can go to the home page. So that can be done with the feature of DevTool in Selenium 4. So let's start. Okay, now here you can see there's a blank class public static void main. What I will do, I will first go ahead and write our usual the WebDriver manager dot Chrome driver dot setup to download the Chrome driver for me, and then I will say WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, and see, these are the two usual lines which we always write, so that we can, first of all, the first line will download the WebDriver for me, and the second line will initialize the Chrome driver for me. Okay, now for the DevTools, there is a class called DevTools. Okay, so we will call that class DevTools. I will create a variable DevTools, and how do we initialize it? So in that, we do not do something like DevTools equal to new DevTools. No, we are not required to do that. There's a different method of a driver which is called getDevTool, which create an instance of this class. So if I do driver dot getDevTool, I'm not getting anything. And why I'm not getting anything? Because this getDevTool method is implemented under Chrome driver, but that has not been referenced under WebDriver interface, and that is the reason. Either what I can do, instead of Chrome driver, I can directly call here Chrome driver equal to new Chrome driver, and if I do driver dot get DevTools, so I can get it out. Okay, but I would say this is not a standard way. We should always we should always give a reference of the interface when we are working with the driver. So for the interface, I will still do WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. Then how do we achieve this? So for that, what I need to do, I need to cast this driver into the Chrome driver class. Okay, so I will cast it. So I will put Chrome driver. Okay, and maybe I need to put one more parenthesis here, and then I can call it get DevTools. Okay, and as I said before, why I am able to see this get DevTools? Because the get DevTools has been implemented in the Chrome driver or its parents, but its reference is not there into the WebDriver interface. So that is the reason, if you create a variable and you give a type of it as an interface, it is necessary that all the methods which has been implemented under this class should be there in the WebDriver. If it is not there, you have to cast it into the original class. So I have cast this object into the Chrome driver, and that is the reason now I am able to see the get DevTools. Okay, now let's move forward. Now in this, when I am working on the DevTools, always remember that we have to create one session with the DevTools. So for that, there is a method called DevTools.createSession. So this will create a session for me, and after that, whatever commands I need to write into the DevTools, I have to call a method. There's a different method for that, which is send method. Okay, and when I call the send method, under that, because I am dealing with enabling the security, so enabling the security of a browser so that it can trust that website. So what I will do, I will say as security dot enabled. Okay, some mistake here. Let me just write it again. Dot enable. So I think I am making some mistake, maybe spelling. Okay, let me just type again. Security. Okay, because I think I is selecting the Java one. I need to select the one which is provided by the Chrome. So this is the one with the Chrome, second one. Security dot enable. Okay, so it has enabled the security for me, and now I can again call devtools dot send, and now the main command through which I can accept the expired certificate would be here. So it would be security dot set ignore certificate errors. Okay, so this will accept the certificate for me if it is expired. So basically I am ignoring any certificate error which I am getting when I am running or I am going to any website. Okay, and after that I can just call devtools dot get. Oh sorry, I can just call my driver dot get, and I can open that website which was there, this one. Okay, so I can just copy this, paste it here. Okay, so that's it. So we have just 4 lines of command which we need to write, if you see that. So these are the common one, the 1, 2 at the top, and the last one. This is the one in which I am initializing the DevTools by casting this driver and calling get DevTools, and then I am creating a session. Okay, DevTools.create session. Now, whatever you want to do with the DevTool, there are a number of things you can do with the DevTool, but right now I am just enabling a security so that I can ignore the certificate errors. Okay, so let's run it now. Okay. See, now it has opened the website without that error. So this is the home page of this expired sample website. So that's mean this has successfully worked for me, and through the DevTool I am able to ignore the certificate. So this is just one feature of the DevTool in Selenium 4. Next, I will also tell you what are the other features which is provided by the DevTools in Selenium 4. Okay, so I hope this was a good learning for you. So thank you for watching and have a great day.